In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a brake bleeding procedure on your Kia Optima. Located under the hood, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is locate the master cylinder. In this case, it's behind the engine filter. Using some brake parts cleaner, we're going to go ahead and clean the master cylinder before we open the cap. Sometimes there's a lot of debris around this area. Go ahead and spray some. Wipe off any debris around the cap. You do not want any debris getting in there. Go ahead and open the cap. If you read the cap, you're going to see that it says DOT3 or DOT4. In this case, we're going to be using some DOT3. Next, we're going to go ahead and use a vacuum pump, and we're going to evac as much fluid as we can. Now we can go ahead and refill the system with brand new fluid. Now reinstall the cap. Make sure that it is snugged. The procedure for this vehicle goes this way. First we do the right rear. After that we move on to the front left, followed by the rear left, and lastly, the front right. After we've done the left front, we're gonna go ahead and refill the master as needed. Moving to the right rear of the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and bleed the caliper. Using a brake bottle, I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. If your caliper has a cap on the bleeder, you go ahead and remove it now. In this case, I'm using a small flathead screwdriver just to pop it off. Using a 10mm wrench, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Connect your hose. We're gonna have someone in the vehicle pump the brakes for us after we open the bleeder. While they hold on the brake, we're gonna go ahead and open it. What we're looking for is a steady stream of fluid and no air bubbles. Go ahead again. One more time. This looks good, so we can go ahead and close the valve. Remove the hose. Remove your wrench. Reinstall the bleeder cap. Using some brake parts cleaner, we're gonna spray the area just to get rid of any of the fluid. Go ahead and wipe off any excess fluid. And now we can move on to the left front of the vehicle. We're gonna repeat the same process on the front of the vehicle. Use a small flathead screwdriver. Take off the cover. Using a 10mm wrench, you're gonna go ahead and slide it in. Install your hose for the brake bleeder. We're gonna have someone in the vehicle go ahead and pump the brakes. And when they hold, you're gonna go ahead and crack open the valve. Close it. We're gonna repeat that process a couple times. And just remember, what we're looking for is no air in the system. One more time. This looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and close the valve. Remove the hose. Remove your wrench. We're gonna go ahead and use some brake parts cleaner and just clean off the area. Wipe off any excess. And reinstall the cover. Now we can go ahead and refill the system with brand new fluid. Now reinstall the cap. Make sure that it is snugged. Now that I've shown you how to do the brake bleeding procedure on the right rear and the left front, you're gonna go ahead and repeat the process for the left rear and the right front. After that, you wanna make sure you fill in the master cylinder as needed. And now go ahead and torque the wheels to 79.6 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.